Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys. Today let's briefly take a look at the gold market because in Australian dollar the setup that we have specified mostly stands the same. Yesterday we haven't got any retracement since market has opened even with some gap down, although this was reverse sold on the daily chart, and we have hoped that probably the market could form the bread body sell, but this hasn't happened. But it doesn't mean that the bread body couldn't be formed. Maybe it will be formed a bit later. So the trust is still in place that this could become a really good background for the bread body trade in Australian dollar. But the recent action absolutely doesn't change our view on the Australian dollar, so the core stands the same. That's why currently we're not seeing any real big reason to speak about it again. That's why let's just update the situation on the gold market. Although, to be honest, guys, the gold market is really also not much to talk about. As you can see, recent action is on the euro currency. As you can see, 3 sessions stands inside of the last drop. It has happened last week, some kind of the inside action. In fact, on the gold market, we have only one major pattern. And this pattern is no reaction on the significant supports. So, guys, when the market really behaves flat and don't carry on really important levels such as 1170 FIB support, this was the all-time, not all-time, but it's really valuable support, major FIB support of the recent action that has started in 2015. This market has shown no reaction on this support. The forming of the hand shoulders pattern on the monthly chart also was just flatly break down, so you can see no big reaction on the support has happened. This just tells how opposite side of the market weak, or this side doesn't care on the current price behavior. They are in fact just disappointed in the current action and waiting for something more. And that's really, this view is supported by the dynamic that we see in the CFTC report on the speculative position, on the SPDR fund dynamic. So massive closing on the longs is going on the gold market, and that just explains why bulls so flat on and active on important support levels, and that significantly increases the strength of the bearish action. That's why currently, guys, I think that we should not hope too much on the possible rebound on the gold market, at least in the current circumstances. And downward action has really great chance to be continued. If you will speak about the pure technical issues, so take a look how the breakout 1170 has happened. So market has dropped and no return back. So this was not the wash and rinse, not just a stop hunting on something on that sort of action, but it just has dropped and stayed below this level. This means this is called as a true breakout, and it just also tells the same. So downward action probably should continue, especially if you'll recall and take into consideration what the importance of the 1150 area. This is, guys, the border of the weekly channel where market has returned to. And so that's why currently I do not expect something really positive from the gold market and think that's really could continue to move lower. My opinion is that as it has collapsed on the bottom of the right shoulder of the hand shoulder pattern, it probably should reach the bottom of the head. That stands at the 1040 area. That's just my view. In the medium-term perspective, gold really could reach it. If, of course, something real big shifts will not happen, some unexpected events, maybe in some fiscal policy in the United States or something. Just, for example, if we will get the data that will show that Fed stand 1-2 steps behind of the common inflation. So if the rate hiking is not sufficient for inflation takes too much speed. In this case, gold market could rebound, but I'm not sure that really will happen. Anyway, currently we do not see any signs of that sort. In a short-term perspective, guys, we'll take a look at forward time frame chart. Market stands in very gradual channel. It's very good looking. And here, guys, you could see a lot of examples of the bearish dynamic pressure. So you can see collapsed, trend shift bullish, but price action is not. Collapse, this again, price trend shift bullish, price is not. Collapse here again, right now again, collapse, trend hit shift bullish, price action is not. So it suggests that probably market should drop lower, following the logic of this moving inside of this channel. It should reach the bottom of it. So it probably stands around weekly pivot support once 1160 area, somewhere in that sort, maybe slightly lower, 1110 maybe. That's the perspective of the coming couple of sessions, maybe till the end of the week before the Christmas holidays. This market could drop here. On the hourly chart, I did not see also something really interesting. So market has failed to pass through even minor resistance 1138. Just the picture is actually, guys, looks very similar to euro currency. So that's why in the nearest sessions till the end of the day, probably we will see the downward continuation on the gold market.